Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about how can you solve the issue where the fan of your laptop or computer keeps running. And what is the scenario? Let's see first. Let me shut it down. I have given the command to shut it down, and if we come down to this indicator, you can see we still have three indicators. First is for the hard drive, second one is for the fan, and the third one when it keeps running. So you can see it is completely shut down, but it's still on the background. If you could hear the noise of fan, here it is. It's completely shut down, but still it have the computer running on the background. So how to solve this issue? Let's see. So first you have to let it shut down completely. It could go for it could go for next 5 or 10 minutes more, depends on your system. So once it is completely shut down, we have to turn it on back. So now I have turned it on back. So now let's go to the system and see what changes we need to make. Okay, so first you need to go to the control panel. You can click over there, or you can manually type control panel. All right, now you have to come down to the system and security, and here you have to go to the power options, and inside this you have to click over change plan settings, and then you have to change you have to go back here, and you need to click over choose what power buttons to. Okay, now here inside this you have to click over change settings that are currently unavailable. So once you check that, you have to uncheck this, which is known as turn on fast startup recommended. So it helps your PC to cool it down or shut it down quickly without leaving any indicator or fan running in the background. So it is still checked. If you don't want to mess with this thing, you can also use this batch file, or the script file you can say, which is over here. You can code it by yourself, or you can get the same from the description down below, which is coded as add echo off, and then this code will make the thing work. Okay, so now if I uncheck it, save changes, and then if I now try to shut it down, let's see how quick it's going to happen. See, that's done over there, and it's gone. It's just leaving the indicator of charger. That's it. So that's how you can fix this. You won't be leaving any fan running in the background anymore. Okay, thanks for watching.